Hi there! Welcome to our Best Kayak Guide channel. In this video, we are looking at the topic, can you go kayaking in the rain? We highly recommend you to read the full in-depth blog post by go to the link below. So let's dive in. We all know that feeling when you're out on the water and the rain starts to fall. Some people might head for shore, but if you're like me, you paddle harder and enjoy the adventure. The truth is that you can go kayaking in the rain, and it can be a great experience as long as you take the necessary precautions. Some people even say that it's more fun because you feel a bit more adventurous. Want to find out more about kayaking in the rain? In the full blog post we have written on our website, we have done hours of research and divided the topic into the following areas. Number 1, what is it like to kayak in the rain? Number 2, kayak rain kit checklist. Number 3, what are the risks involved with kayaking in the rain? Number 4, is it safe to kayak during a thunderstorm? Number 5, tips for kayaking in the rain. Number 6, are there any advantages of kayaking in the rain? Number 7, how about kayaking after a heavy rain? And some related matters. As I mentioned before, we go into much more detail in our blog post about the above topic. Inside that article, we dive into each of the areas above, covering many more questions around them. Just click the link below, and you can read all about the research we have done on this topic. See you inside the blog post, and let us know if you have any more questions in the comments below. Have a great day, and thank you for checking out bestkayakguide.com.